Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best outdoor folding chairs on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best outdoor folding chairs. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. A folding chair is a necessity for outdoor activities. They are usually there to save the day in outdoor events where sitting is needed, but traditional pieces of furniture are considered overkill. Folding chairs are also used indoors at home when extra seats are needed, or indoor events where chairs are only temporarily needed. Usually made in different sizes and designs, folding chairs are portable and can be folded flat to a smaller size when not in use, making them very easy to carry and store. Folding chairs are specifically made for outdoor leisurely use like camping, hiking, or outdoor picnic. They make the experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Our team has assessed the outdoor folding chair market to bring you the best outdoor folding chairs in 2023. These chairs were selected based on multiple factors, including general comfort and ease of use. Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Chair. This is an anti-gravity chair with a 350 pounds weight capacity. The sturdy steel tube frame paired with durable polyester makes this a really practical chair to use at a bustling campsite. It's also a dream to nap in. Yes, you're going from upright to fully flat in this ultra-adjustable reclining camping chair. You'll be able to keep your perfect position once you find it with help from the chair's easy locking mechanism. The padding on this chair is very decent. In addition to a fully padded seat, you're also getting a removable pillow that can be used for head and lumbar support. Setting up is always a breeze with this chair because it folds and unfolds in seconds. Overall, this chair is very ergonomic. The slight curve in the design helps you to avoid that rigid, forced feeling that you often get with camping chairs. The 600D polyester used is both durable and breathable. The powder-coated steel frame keeps you securely in your spot. Pros: zero-gravity design takes pressure off your back. Fully adjustable to take you from upright to flat. Comfortable padding. Length is great for napping fully stretched out. Lightweight enough to bring anywhere. Cons: very slow to dry if it gets wet. Would be better if the drink compartment had a tray. Portal oversized mesh back chairs. This camping chair is actually a zero-gravity recliner that adjusts to any position up to 170 degrees before securing the lock-in-place feature to stay comfortably reclined in your sweet spot for back bliss. This ultra-comfortable recliner has a maximum capacity of 350 pounds. The thing about this outdoor recliner is that it's so comfortable that I actually wouldn't be surprised if people are using this in their living rooms. If you've ever dealt with back pain, you know how soothing that zero-gravity support can feel. The breathable mesh back is also terrific for when you're camping on those muggier days. No worries about your back, bottom, and legs overheating in this chair. You also don't have to worry about sweat pooling on the back of the chair the way you do with stuffier designs. The padded seat does a great job of adding a sense of stability over the chair's lightweight frame. The adjustable padded pillow does an exceptional job of supporting the head while providing unflinching lumbar support. The side table on this recliner really completes the luxury experience. In addition to holding your phone, tablet, or snack, it also has a slot to keep your drink from sliding out of place. Something you may not know just by looking at a photo of this chair is that the wooden armrests are actually made of eco-friendly wood. I want to briefly touch on why that's a mixed bag. While I always get excited when there's a chance to make an eco-friendly camping purchase, I do want to point out that the wood used on these armrests does leave the chair a little more vulnerable to the elements. You should do your best to avoid exposing the armrests to prolonged periods of sun or moisture. That brings me to my next point. Keeping this chair safely tucked away is extremely easy because it folds up seamlessly to take up very little room. Pros: allows you to recline in any position up to 170 degrees. Very sturdy. No wobbling or leaning. Great for tall people. Perfect for napping. Terrific neck and lumbar support. Very breathable design. Folds easily. Very adjustable overall. Great value. Cons: the wood armrests are a mixed blessing. While durable, this chair has its limits for how much exposure it can take. Strongback 2.0 Elite Camping Chair. This camping chair offers what you're probably used to from a camping chair in terms of appearance. However, its classic design conceals a world of back-friendly features. The lumbar supportive design brings your body posture into alignment to release stress and tension from your back. You'll find that your hips and spine align beautifully for a comfortable, straight sitting experience without the common feeling of sinking that you often get with a typical camping chair. This chair has a 300 pounds weight capacity. The frame-integrated lumbar support really helps to ensure stability once you're settled in. The design also has no sink feet that makes such a big difference when you're camping in wet or muddy spots. The best way to describe sitting in this chair is that you feel grounded. While this chair doesn't have any adjustable features, it does have good flexibility that allows the material to sag to accommodate your shape. Many standard camping chairs are too tightly woven to do this. The padded solid armrests are the heroes of this design because they enhance that ability to really sink into the comfort of the chair. There's also a built-in mesh beverage holder. I love that the beverage holder is mesh because it prevents any mold or moisture from forming if your drink sweats as it warms up. I always appreciate when brands get those little touches that are important to campers so right. The chair is made from heavy-duty, tear-resistant polyester 600D over a powder-coated steel frame. While there's a lot about this chair that excites me, I have to say that the backpack carrying bag that it zips into is probably my favorite part. This is something I've been looking for because I find that going to anything from a concert to a sporting event while trying to carry both a cooler and chair in my hands is such a headache. Pros: the way this chair creates alignment in your posture is just great. Great use of additional lumbar support. The polyester material used is resistant to wear and tear. Very easy to carry using the provided backpack. Cons: there's only one position to use when sitting. Bliss Hammocks GFC Chair. Finding a recliner with a built-in sunshade was very exciting. If you've ever had the experience of falling asleep in the shade before waking up in the sun, you'll appreciate the way that some constant protection can prevent sunburn. This is a zero-gravity camping recliner that creates a weightless sitting experience. You will feel the stress oozing out of your muscles as you settle into this chair. It allows you to go from upright to fully reclined in seconds with some minor adjustments. I have to say that the woven PVC-coated polyester is nice for creating a strong, secure surface that does nicely in the weather. The powder-coated steel frame helps you to feel stable. The 360 pounds maximum on this chair is slightly higher than average for this category. I want to go back to the built-in personal sun canopy on this chair. This canopy pairs beautifully with the chair's dedicated headrest. I'm also awarding this chair extra points for its double drink holder with a built-in slot for mobile devices and tablets. My first thought was that this is actually perfect for parents tasked with stewarding the food, snacks, and entertainment because they can keep it close by without having to get up when their kids ask for them. Pros: personal canopy for sun protection. One of the only recliners with double drink holders. Durable polyester. Reclines from upright to fully flat. Folds easily. Cons: this chair has notoriety for being squeaky. Feels a little bulky to carry. ALPS Mountaineering Camp Chair. I instantly became intrigued by the ultra-streamlined design on this chair. Could something so simple really provide the support needed for a bad back? The answer is all in the frame. The aluminum frame on this chair admittedly looks a little unforgiving at first glance. However, what you'll find is that you instantly get into alignment in a way that takes pressure off your back once you settle into the contours of the chair. This is my top no-slouch pick for that reason. This chair's design uses 600D polyester fabric over a lightweight ProTech aluminum frame. I'm really enamored by the mix of strength and stability offered by this chair. I know that you might be wondering how this chair actually gets tucked away in your car when looking at a picture. The simple answer is that it actually has a detachable frame that allows for compact transporting and storing. The impressive frame on this chair is held together using sturdy steel tubes and connectors. The welded joints make you feel very secure. You're also getting an ultra-comfortable padded back panel with a slightly taller back for greater comfort. The padded armrests are also amazing. The drink pocket on this chair is located right by the knees to provide you with more unobstructed arm room up top. The final thing I want to say about this chair is that its streamlined frame may have you fooled. The chair's 425 pounds maximum capacity exceeds most other camping chairs in this category. Pros: comfortable, lightweight polyester. Slightly taller back provides great support. High maximum weight capacity. Sturdy frame. Cons: slight bulky/awkward to carry.